Yep. Once again, very good morning and a very good evening, the people who are outside of India. Okay. Thanks for joining. And firstly, welcome to Azure SQL Champ community. Okay. So maybe you are also going to part of this community from now onwards, from today onwards. Okay. The myself is Subbu. So I'm the being the mentor for entire this SQL Server with Azure Cloud Platform training. Okay. So I'm having almost around 10 plus years of experience in the IT industry, along with I'm having parallelly I'm having 10 plus years of experience in the training industry, and this is our 46th batch. Okay, so we successfully completed almost 45th batch. Okay, so 45th batch is little pending, but we almost completed 45th batch, and now we are moving to the 46th batch successfully. So, as part of this complete training, where we used to deliver a complete core SQL Server along with cloud platform. Okay, so Azure Cloud, one of the Azure Cloud service, we are going to discuss in terms of IaaS and PaaS, and we are spending more time on the performance tuning, advanced level performance tuning. We'll talk more technical in the span of time, but before I move into that. Okay, so my brother is Sai. I think you already had a discussion with the Sai as well. So let's give some time to Sai also. Let him introduce. Okay, and you people also can introduce yourself or just what is your experience, whether you are coming to the new technology or you are already part of the SQL and you wanted to enhance the skills. Okay, that we'll talk first. Then we'll go for move on to the technical part. Yeah, just hand over to Sai.
Yeah, thanks very much, Subbu. Thanks for the briefing. Okay. Hey, hi everyone. Very good morning, good evening. So, so I had a discussion with all of you, most of the people. Okay. So I have around 8 years of experience in the IT industry. So I worked in the various domains from Windows, network, and currently I'm in the DBA and database domain. Okay. So I worked over the many migration, upgradation, and very critical DR activities in my projects. Okay, so I have very good exposure towards technical stuff. Okay, so that's the main reason I could be able to give you the my experience whenever you had a discussion for the first time with me. Okay, and coming to this, so firstly, welcome to the Azure SQL Champ community. Okay, so now onwards you will be part of the our community group. Okay, and you can get very good technical stuff. What is your expectation in terms of the technical, and if you are wanted to clear the interviews, and if you wanted to uh, work in the production environment uh, fearlessly. Okay, so all kind of the way, so everything can be happen with the subject only. So that subject you can get from us. Okay, so my humble request to everyone, even whenever you are talking to me also, I told you just you need to spend your time as well. Okay, so the most of the thing, the important thing is your efforts and your time is very much important. So that's an humble request. Okay, so you will get anyhow 100% damn sure you will get the technical stuff from us. Okay, to make it own. Okay, to gain that hands-on experience. Okay, so please do spend your time, and if you stuck somewhere, if you have any questions, so don't hesitate to reach us. Okay, you can use the WhatsApp group channel, and we also have the discussion group and many more things. Okay, we'll be discussing towards this session. Okay, so Subbu will explore all the things. Okay, so that's about brief about me and about our other SQL Jump. Okay, and now over to you. So anyone can start about your. So you can introduce yourself.
Yeah, thank you,
Yes, you
Sai.
can raise your hand, you can start, please.
Yeah,
Yeah.
thank you, Sai, for giving this opportunity. My name is Subred. I have 3.2 years of experience as a SQL Server DBA. Currently, I am working with one of the MNC company. My career starting with SQL DBA domain itself only. Yeah, Sai, that's it. I am
Yeah,
expecting,
thank
I am expecting, I have taken already some of the trainers already taken, but I am not satisfied with their trainings and all. They are giving just giving a L1 related task. That too, they are giving full-fledged, not giving training also. So that's why I'm reaching this you guys. I am expecting more from you. I'm also spending time with you. Yeah, I'm expecting good knowledge gain from you guys. That is my
yeah.
uh,
Definitely,
expectation.
definitely, Subbu. Yeah, definitely you can gain the hands on the, I told you know, like,
Yeah,
so any kind of the situations on the real time, how we can start where we are, if we are stuck somewhere. Okay, if someone is coming and application team or developers, they are asking something, where we need to start, how we can explain. So all the things answer you will get. Okay.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
Thank
thanks.
you. Yeah,
Yeah.
thank you, Sai. Yeah, bye.
Yeah. Moving to the next. Anyone can raise your hands. You can little brief about you.
Hello everyone, good morning. This is Praveen Kumar here. Is everyone audible?
Yes, Praveen. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, thank you, Sai and Subbu. My name is Praveen. I am working in one of the company in Bangalore. But I am in some another role, not a DBA. So I am planning to switch in DBA. So I contacted Sai sir. This is
Yeah.
my.
Yeah.
I hope
Thanks.
I will get more knowledge and I could able to switch in DB also. Let me
Sure.
try.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah. So we'll start from the scratch. So to the advanced level. So
yeah, okay.
the entire this training comes from the scratch to advanced level. So we will balance L1 DBS to L3 DBS. So slowly we'll make
Okay.
you from L1 to L2, L2 through L3 level. We'll try.
That would be
Fantastic.
very helpful for me, Subbu. Thank you.
Yeah. Thanks.
Definitely, definitely. Yeah, thank you very much for Praveen for your long patience. You are been waiting from the long time. Okay, so I
Yeah,
appreciate
exactly.
your patience and thanks for your support. Okay. Yep.
It's okay, Sai. Thank you.
Yeah. Um, moving on to the next.
Anyone can be voluntarily. Yeah.
Yeah.
Just I need to know about your background. Okay, how many people are not in the aspect of SQL, different background, and they are looking for SQL, or you already working as a SQL? Then I can balance my technical stuff. Hey, hi
Hello,
Nick. Yeah.
good morning, good evening.
Hey, good evening.
Uh, My name is Dominic, and I'm new in this field, so I don't know anything about SQL Server. So I'm just getting to this class to
Yeah,
gain some skills.
sure. Yeah.
Hey, thanks, Nick. So you understood that technical stuff that we are going to deliver, and okay. So being you are part of the 45th as well, right? So and
Yeah.
Subbu, he also informed his friends. So they are in the session. Linda, Fred. So they are also very much interested to with our
Oh,
subject.
hey,
Yeah.
thanks, Nick. Yeah, yeah.
Yes,
Yes,
Vinay.
yes.
And good evening. Yeah, I am Linda, friend to Dominic. He introduced me to Sai. I am not in the SQL space yet, but hoping to be there as soon as I can. and giving my so that I can learn and become very advanced so that I can be more confident in facing interviews and, then with my hands-on skills.
Oh,
Thank you.
yeah. Thanks, Linda. Thanks, Linda, and thanks. Actually, see, the why we wanted a short introduction means we wanted to know how many people are starting the journey as part of SQL. Okay, that's a main agenda for us. Okay, then see, basically, we are categorized this entire training into three phases: phase one, phase two, phase three. So phase one will go for core basic part. Phase two will go for little high level. Phase three will go for like a core troubleshooting part. See, as a DBA, must and should know about the troubleshooting rather than going for the basic parts. Okay, so that is where we are going to spend more time. So thanks, Linda. Definitely, we will start from the core part where you can learn completely basic about what is SQL Server, what is our role, what exactly we'll do, where we need to start, how we need to start. Everything will go for theoretical along with the practical. So more will sit more on the practical part. Okay, but first, 1 week of time we'll spend on the more theoretical part. But once we start the installing the product, okay, then we'll go for practical, more on sit on the practical.
Awesome.
Yeah. Thank you. Yeah. Anyone? Anil, Abhiram.
Yes, yeah. Hi, Subbu and Sai and everyone. So
Yeah.
I'm Anil. Actually, I'm based out of Hyderabad. So actually, I have worked with previously with banking clients. Actually, it was a application support kind of thing. Okay, and I have learned SQL a bit. With the background how it works and how does it help in handling the data in the banking client. So I have a bit idea how it works, but I wanted to get into more subject. So I want to understand more on the SQL side, like HADR concepts and the troubleshooting part, moreover. So that's why I'm here. I have watched your YouTube video, the demo one, and I was really impressed. And I tried to contact Sai as well. So I have spoke with him previously, and I'm okay with its agenda and the core subject that you are going to teach and uh, everything. So yeah, I'm expecting some good knowledge from you, Subbu. Okay.
Sure. Yeah. Thanks. Thanks, Anil. Yeah.
Yeah.
Hello, good morning, everyone.
Hey, good morning, Maishwari.
Good morning.
I'm Uma Meshwari. I am a fresher. I'm new to this technology. I need to learn more about this.
Thank you. Yeah, sure.
So,
Hi Cebu. Say. Hi,
Hey,
all.
hi,
yeah,
Ganesh.
hi,
Yeah.
Ganesh.
Yeah. Basically, I'm having 4 years of IT experience. So I have earlier I have worked with one of top MNC. So currently there I have worked in two domains. One is support project, another one is as a DBA. DBA for 1 year. Basically, while I am trying to get a more knowledge, so at that point of time, I tried to check with my one of my colleague. So basically, he has suggested to boost training. So basically, I'm expecting the same kind of knowledge from you, Subbu. So the way
Yeah,
of
sure.
already I have informed you earlier also, right? Danish.
Oh, yeah. Thanks, Ganesh. Yeah,
Yes.
definitely.
The way of the way of troubleshooting he is doing as well as the technical stuff he's having. So basically, I am also posting the same from you.
Yeah, sure, definitely. We
Sure,
can.
definitely. He is part of Danish team, Subbu. Okay,
Oh,
earlier I had
okay.
discussion. So Danish from 42 and is in our Postgres as well. Okay, so in Oracle also is there. Okay, so he's using whatever he grabbed from us. He's using in his project, and that that's the exposure Ganesh also liked. It's suggested to Ganesh. So if you want to explore and if you wanted to know the good technical stuff, hey, reach to these guys. So Ganesh suggested. Yeah, thank you, Ganesh.
Yeah, thanks,
Thank you, sir.
Ganesh. Yeah.
Yes, Fred.
Yeah. Hi, Subbu
Hey,
and Sai.
Subbu. Hey, Sai. Good evening from my end. I'm Fred, and this is actually my first time coming across this particular topic, and I would like to learn more.
Yeah. Thanks, Fred. Firstly, okay. Welcome to Azure SQL Champ. Okay. Yeah, definitely. As we promising, yeah, you can grab more knowledge on complete core SQL part. Yeah. I think
Next,
Anusha, you were saying something. Yeah.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Hi, Subbu. Hi, Sai. Hello, everyone. I'm
Yeah.
Anusha. So I have around 3 years of experience, worked as AWS Redshift DBA. So now I want to upskill the DBA. So in this SQL Server DBA, so understanding, and it will make me to help as a hybrid DBA. Previously it was AWS, and this is now SQL Server DBA. So it will help me to explore as in DBA skill.
Yeah. Yes. Almost all the database management systems are near to near. Okay.
Yeah,
In terms
yeah,
of Oracle or SQL or Redshift or Postgres or MongoDB. Yeah, definitely. It will add on your DBS skills in terms of for your career growth, especially. Yeah. Welcome
yeah.
to Azure SQL Champ, Anusha. Yeah.
Yes.
Thanks.
Thank you,
You've been
Subbu.
waited for longer time. I know you just waited for longer time, but thanks once again. Yeah.
Thank you, Subbu.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Let's give to Priyanka for my one of old student. Okay. Priyanka, are you there? Yeah, she's.
Hi, Subbu. Hi, Sai. Yeah, I
Yeah.
joined the
Yeah, hi.
batch. Uh, yeah, it was an amazing session with you. I learned a lot. After that, I joined the job. So I want to join the again the next batch, but the like time difference is there, so I could not join. So yeah, I work with the Microsoft with the Azure SQL DBA. So I work with the multiple clients with the Microsoft, and I have done a couple of like multiple database migration from on-prem to Azure cloud. So I could say I have a good experience in Azure now. But I want to learn like brush up, you can say, or I want to learn more in depth in the SQL side as well, and mostly in the troubleshooting area. So that's why I connect with Sai to like join. So luckily he said next batch is coming very soon. So I got the opportunity again. So yeah, it's very good to connect with you all.
Yeah. I think long back, yeah, almost you will be part of 30th batch, I think so. Yeah, almost 7 batch we done. Okay, yeah, good to see Priyanka. Okay, uh, yeah, definitely. So we are upgraded lot much stuff when we compare with 38th batch. Okay, so definitely you will you gain little more knowledge as part of 46th batch. Whatever you learn on 38th batch, when you compare with that, definitely you are going to learn lot stuff here, because lot of enhancement done in terms of features, in terms of the content. Okay, yeah, definitely will deliver the good stuff. Yeah, that will very helpful for your next upcoming career.
Thank you so
Yeah.
much.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Anyone? Okay.
Hello everyone. Myself
Hey,
Adiram.
hi, Abhiram. Yeah.
I'm having 1 year of experience in ETL tool, Informatica Power Center. Now I want to change into DBA role. So that's my introduction.
Yeah. Good to know about your part of ETL. Yeah, definitely. Maybe for you, especially when you go to the SQL, here also we are having ETL tools like in terms of SSIS, in terms of Azure Data Factory. when you especially go to the cloud. Almost all the ETL tools are near. Like you've been work for the Informatica. For Microsoft, we are having a integration service, especially we'll call as a SSIS packages, where we will be part of like a ETL kind of job that we'll do. And when you especially go to the cloud, so we are having a lot many services like ADF, Synapses, and Fabric. Now Fabric is the ruling the service. Okay, so yeah, definitely it will enhance, and not only DBA you are gaining here, you will also little enhance how you will get a chance to go to the, especially when you are working with the cloud platforms, and that too when you are working with the ETL services in terms of like ADF or Synapses or Fabric. So definitely you will gain that knowledge as well as part of this special training. Okay, it will help you a lot, Abhiram. Yeah,
Thanks, Subbu.
yeah.
Thanks, Abhiram.
Hi Subbu, Harsh here.
Hey, hi, Harsh. Yeah.
Hi.
Yeah, I have been working in SQL for a couple of years. Uh, I'm working as L1 or sometime L2. Uh, why I came to contact you, the reason is that most of the time I stuck with our application owners or the clients during troubleshooting issues. Um, I'm as a accidental DB. I was working as a desktop engineer. My boss has given me opportunity to work, to handle the SQL stuff. The guys who is supporting has left the job, so he has given me the opportunity. So as a accidental DB, I learned from YouTube's and all that. So while during performance tuning videos searching, I see your videos. I see one of your videos on the YouTube as DAG, distributed availability group. I was searching for availability group, but I found DAG on of one of your videos. It was very interesting. But my main focus is to understand the troubleshooting. I have grabbed many scripts, but while running the scripts, I am not able to justify the clients. What is the actual issue? Long running queries I run those scripts, but how to justify the clients? How to justify the application team? What is the actual issue? How to identify? How to force them? This is the actual issue. Sometimes they argue us. No, 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 no. Why we are not running queries? This is what I want to say.
Yeah, definitely, because our troubleshooting is something different in terms of performance. We'll go for hierarchical level pattern where see when you are going for random search, it's very difficult to identify the issue. Okay, whatever actually is causing what you are grabbing the information from the SQL. See, you need to ask in the right way to the SQL Server. SQL Server can provide not only SQL Server, any database management system can provide the good sort of information, but we need to ask in the right way. Means pattern, what pattern we are following. Like every troubleshoot uh, uh, is something different, because we should not clumps all the troubleshoot, like in terms of log file or temp DB or CPU or memory or IO or queries or entire database is running slow or entire SQL is running slow. So we'll categorize the things whatever you will get in the real world. Based on that categorize, we'll look into that pattern of troubleshooting. So at least we'll go into the pattern where we can get little sort of information where we can convince to our application team, hey, no, when we are checking over the SQL and or logs, we got this sort of information where we are currently investigating this one. So from that point of view, yeah, definitely you will gain more knowledge, because we'll go for like a hierarchical level pattern of troubleshooting. Not only queries, all the stuff, other things also very important in terms of log shipping or replication or always on or DAZ or clusters. Okay, Every high availability we are discussing, each and every high availability we are going to go for deeper troubleshooting, and we'll share the different materials. Okay, whatever the content we are providing, not only that one, you will get every concept. There is a separate troubleshooting, and for that you will get separate material in the running notes. I mean to say the running notes.
Got it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So not only just we are going for at the ending and we are saying, okay, so take 3 to 4 scenarios and okay, we are done. No, almost like 25 to 30 sessions will spend on the performance tuning in entire our training. 30 sessions will split on the tuning only. Now you can understand how much knowledge you can gain in terms of each and every features, in terms of actual troubleshooting, what the subject you wanted to grab, so that I'm happy when I'm working on the real time. See, again from the day one onwards, it's a complete the real time training. It's not like okay, where we are you join to us and we are saying something, but when you go to the real world, okay, it is quite opposite. No, everything will talk in terms of real world, so that you can easily understand in case if something happening, so where I need to go, what sort of logs I need to find. Okay, see, reading the logs is everyone, either you are lateral, means you are starting your journey, or experienced people. So for example, categorize 2 pattern. One is lateral, one is experienced people. Basically, finding the logs is very important. Okay, and understanding the logs is very important. Implementation is very important. Okay, convincing is also very important. So you need to convince to your application team, all the stuff is also very important. First you need to find, then you need to understand, then you need to convey, then you need to implement. All these are very important, sir. But only the difference you will notice is the people who are experienced, they can find little quickly the logs. Okay, the people who are lateral, who is starting the journey, you may get little nervous, but when you go for hierarchical level pattern, you won't feel that much nervousness, because somewhere you will find the log. Okay, why my SQL is not starting, why my database is not coming online, or why the application is running little slow. So you need to go and verify. See, in the real time, what is the problem here means, when we are training something, when you go to the real world, what is the biggest problem is knowledge. See, as much as you need to have the knowledge. So without knowledge, it's very tough to sustain in the project, because no one knows what sort of issues will get it. No one knows what sort of tickets will get in the real world. So suddenly your easy is gone. You will get the P1 tickets, priority 1 tickets. So especially our main focus will be P1, P2. Okay, P1, P2. P1 is very critical ticket. P2 is a high majority tickets. So whenever you received any P1 tickets, how we are going to, okay, take that P1 ticket, how you are going to handle that P1 ticket is very, very important. Same time, you got one more P1 ticket, and you are only one person. Okay, see, technical knowledge is very important. As a telling to everyone in the day one, this is our day one, sir. Okay, if we wanted to sustain in the project without any tanks, all the stuff, okay, you need to have the technical knowledge. So if you are having the core technical knowledge, you can handle whatever the tickets you are getting. Of course, it may take little time, but definitely you can handle. In terms of, especially when you are working with the P1s, means critical tickets, because the SLA is little shorter for P1s as a database administrator. Okay, not only as a DBA, so any technology if you go for, okay, there will be some critical challenges where we need to proactively go and spend more time. So that is what our main agenda. So how you are going to take the tickets, how you are going to work on the tickets, what sort of tickets you will get in the real world. Okay, That is the one pattern we will try. One more pattern is interview. This is also one of the challenge nowadays. Now we are almost ending at 2025 and we are going to the 2026. Okay. Now interview is also very important because you need to crack first the interview. So that is the next agenda for us. So first agenda is into cracking interview. Next is once you got the opportunity, how you are going to sustain in the project is very important. So whenever we are having this many sessions, okay, every day, okay, I will give some FAQs on the same session itself. This when we are discussing so and so concept, this is something very interesting. You may get question like this, or you may get a question in different way. So how you are going to deliver that answer to the interviewer, so that interview can trust you that you are having experience. You are not a lateral. Okay, you are not a lateral. You are having experience. How you are going to deliver the answer is very important. So from interview point of view, okay, from technical point of view, we are going to deliver complete this training. So every session is very important. Don't think sometimes we'll discuss more theoretical part, sometimes we'll discuss more practical part. So where we need to search the more theoretical part, we'll search more theoretical part. Where we need to search more practical part, we'll search the more practical part. Okay, only one thing is, if you're not understanding, raise your voice. Stop me anytime. Ask me, hey Subbu, can you give me one more alternative? I'm not that much convinced. I'm not understanding. Yeah, definitely I will try one more. I will try one more, until unless you need to gain the knowledge and you need to prepare the notes. Of course, we'll also provide the notes, but see, I am telling to everyone, okay, you should prepare the notes, not Subbu or not Sai or not ChatGPT or not someone. Okay. So majority of the people, what the mistake we are doing is, we are depending on someone, the notes. But I am telling to everyone, okay, we are now in the situation, you need to prepare the notes. See, while you are preparing the notes, what is the major advantage you will get means, what you are preparing, you will understand. Okay, you are not copying and somewhere you are not pasting. Whatever you on your mind you are having, whatever you gain the knowledge by watching, by went to the Google or by went to the somewhere, and you started preparing the notes. Okay, that time you can understand. Okay, this is the concept I prepared, and this is the concept I was strong. Okay, I can double check with Sai, double check with Subbu. Is there my understanding is right or wrong? We are always happy to welcome like this, sir. Okay, we'll provide the content to you, but if you are preparing by your own, okay, like FAQs, and not everything, I mean to say you need to prepare everything, but majority of the stuff where, especially when you go for interviews, how we need to crack, how I need to deliver the answer, okay, so on so question, that is what you need to prepare. Okay, that's a one thing, our main focus. Okay, so from the day one itself, from the day one onwards, at the ending of the course, is every session is very important. Every live session is very important. Not only the live sessions, sir, we are going to plan, okay, pre-recorded sessions as well. We'll provide the pre-recorded, okay, pre-recorded sessions as well. That is also, see, it's very difficult to complete your every batch, especially my training, okay, especially on SQL Server, it's very difficult to complete within span of 70 to 75 days. So we'll spend 72 to 75 days. Okay, it's very difficult to complete within that, because every batch, okay, so when we go for every batch, so uh, we are almost, if you go, see, when you go to the YouTube and if you search for Azure SQL Champ, where you will get almost 5.29K of the subscriber list. If you go to our playlist, okay, you will find whatever we are doing, all the live sessions here. So we started Postgres successfully. In this year, we came up with the Postgres, and we almost successfully completing the batch 2, and in this year we are planning for batch 3 as well, Postgres. Not only for Postgres, we are also coming up with the MongoDB, and we already we also started the Oracle DB as well. Is his name Srikanth? Yeah, sorry. Srikanth is delivering the Oracle DBA. Sai is going to deliver the MongoDB, and myself, I'm just delivering the SQL along with the Postgres. Okay, so for in terms of especially for SQL, if you go for SQL, see, we almost completed 95th sessions. Okay, 95 sessions. Still 10 to 15 sessions are pending, so we are planning that one as well. Okay, so almost 100 plus sessions we are planning, and we are telling that we are going to take your sessions for 70 to 75 days. Okay, it's very tough. So that is the reason what we are making means we are going for the webinars. This batch onwards, we are planning the webinars. Okay, and we are planning our regular sessions will be go on in the same time every day, but webinars will call you whenever we are having some time to deliver 30 to 40 sessions. Okay, we are planning that webinars, okay, which are also very important. Okay, and will take your time frame. Not only your batches, or everyone will call, entire Azure SQL Champ will call, and will also call the outside people into that webinars, free webinars. Okay, and whenever you are having time, you can go and participate. The active participation is very important. You can participate that webinar as well, where you can gain some more knowledge. Okay, not only our live sessions. See, everything we are trying our best to cover complete course content. Okay, so that you are happily, whenever you get a chance to work as a SQL Server DBA, you know majority of the content, because we already delivered, you know majority of the content. So that is a one thing. So when you go to our playlist also, you will verify. We don't want say that we're going to complete in 2 months. Definitely 2.5 months will take. Okay, every batch we deliver a good stuff. See, for Postgres also, first batch we delivered 34 sessions. Okay, being it is a newly introducing from Azure SQL Champ, we completed 34 sessions. Now we enhance the Postgres also a lot. Now almost 48 sessions got completed. Still 12 more sessions are pending for them also. Like almost 60 sessions we are planning for the Postgres. Like same MongoDB also. The people who are from the Postgres first batch, they are also part of Postgres second batch as well, because we promise them we will involve in the next batch also. Being we are coming up with a new technology. Okay, so your active participation is very important. We are whatever we are promising on the day one. Today is our day one. Whatever we are promising, we will deliver, sir. Okay, it may take little time, but definitely will deliver the content. But your participation is very important. How you are showing the interest is very important. See, don't treat this as a training. Just you need to treat this as a KT. This is very important. So you are be part of KT. You are not be part of training. Always treat this as a KT. Raise your voice. See, whenever you go to the industry, definitely there will be KTs will happen. Definitely there will be external trainings will happen. So you need to go to the big conference room where 20 to 30 people or 30 to 40 people are available, and you need to definitely raise your voice, because your project managers, your delivery managers, your team leads, they completely looking on you only. Okay, who are raising the voice, who are asking the questions, okay, who are not asking the questions, definitely they will make a note down. All will get effects when you go for the hike. When you especially go for the hike, that time definitely they will rise. Hey, we observed clearly, we bought up with the training program, but you never rise a single time as part of entered the training. I don't know why. Definitely that time it will give little negative impression on you. So you need to raise your voice, everyone. So in the real world, that's the reason we are telling this one as don't this as a training. Take this as a KT. We are providing the KT for you in terms of what sort of work you will get it. So what sort of understanding you need to get and how you need to deliver everything. Okay, so that is a one thing, especially. So we are having some lack of issue with the YouTube. Okay, so that's the reason. That is one of the reason. Okay, so we are having our own portal, Azure SQL Champ. Okay, if you go to the Google and if you search for Azure SQL Champ, we are enhancing this one mostly within span of 1 month. You will the complete website will be get it ready, and we will move into this website only. So if you go to your course, you will find all the course. We'll add your playlist also, and we will move into this. From this batch onwards, we'll move into the portal. Okay, so you won't find mostly in 1 or 2 days. You won't find the Zoom meetings. You will directly get the portal links. Okay, you need to register to the portal, and you need to move into the portal completely. We are moving to the portal. Why super we are moving to the portal is one is the issue with the granting the permission over the YouTube. From 2024 onwards, we are facing this challenge. We came up with the solution called portal. Okay, so we are completely purchased. This is our own portal. This is our own portal. This is not Supu portal or Sai portal. This is our own portal. Okay. Now, where you will find the blogs, where you will find the course, where you will find our YouTube link, everything, where you will find our webinars. Okay, whatever upcoming webinars also you will find here, and our YouTube channel find here, and courses, and whatever we are writing the blogs. As of now, we are not done anything. Still, we are enhancing. Okay, so you will find the blogs, you will find the course list, everything, and your playlist will also update it here. And you need to first register. See, always use your permanent email address. Okay, so go to register, and once you logged into the portal, you can reach out to the Sai. Then we'll pass you some coupon code, then you can enter into your playlist. Why we are going for, so for example, why we are specially going for this way means, see, when you go to the YouTube, we are not happy with the students. Okay, especially the people who are joining. Majority of the people are not watching the recordings. I don't know then how you can gain the knowledge. Some people are joining, some people are not joining. Okay, and you people are not watching the recordings. But here definitely you will caught, because we will restrict everyone. Once you complete day 1, then only you need to go to the day 2. If you're not completing day 1, if you're not completing day 1 assignment, it won't allow you to go to the day 2 session. It won't allow you to go to the day 3 session. So that is a plan of agenda myself and Sai is especially working. So here you will get the assignments, and here you will get the restrictions. Definitely you should watch, you should complete the assignment, and we will closely watching your assignments. So whoever complete your our sessions, our assignments, then definitely we will provide you the certificate at the ending. Okay, so from the Azure SQL Champ, we will provide the certificate. Okay, that is also planning. That plan we are going to introduce from 2026 onwards, and this is the first batch who is going to gain the certificate from Azure SQL Champ. Okay, that's the one thing, and you will get the free books also. Here we will upload the books. Okay, we are having almost, you are going to spend almost 2 to 2.5 months with us. In the meanwhile, we'll prepare the books, and we'll upload in our portal itself. You can find the books, you can find the blogs, and you can find all the codes. Okay, for example, you are good at SQL. Hey Subbu, I wanted to go for Oracle. You will find the Oracle. Hey, I'm good at Oracle. I wanted to go for Postgres. You can go to the Postgres. Hey, I'm good at Postgres. I wanted to go for MongoDB. You will find the MongoDB as well. But Here, don't get panic little pricing. So in case if you have any queries related to pricing, you can reach out to the, especially to the Sai. He's a part of trainer, and he's also part of the taking care about all these activities. Okay, so you can anytime you can reach out to the Sai. This is from portal. This is our primary channel. Okay, especially you will find all the public means public. Here everything will be private. Okay, majority of the private, and we'll also make the see whatever we are doing the public webinars. Okay, there will be two kind of webinars: public webinars, private webinars. Okay, all the public webinars will be available in the portal, as well as it will be available in the our YouTube channel also. Anything I got Miss Sai and you wanted to tell? I'm just Sai, are you there?
Yes, Subbu. Okay. Yes, most everything is covered. Okay. So don't afraid anyone. If you have any questions, okay, just reach out to me, either it is technical or non-technical, anything. Okay. Just I told just be focused on the technical stuff. Okay. So to gain to make you strong in the technical, we are doing all this stuff. Okay. So coming up with the portal, works and assignments, FAQs, everything, whatever we are coming up with the new ideas and whatever we are implementing, definitely the main agenda is to improve your technical skills. Okay. So I told the humble request is your time and efforts. So that means you how you are how you are how you are going to become strong with that technicals. Okay. Yeah, that's the point. Yeah.
Your
Thanks.
voice is breaking. Okay.
Yeah, sorry.
Yeah.
Sorry. Yeah.
Yeah. And there is one more, our GitHub blog. This is our entire repository, scripts repository. Okay. This is also we are enhancing. Okay. We kept a lot of scripts here, lot of useful scripts. Okay. In our day-to-day work, when you are especially working with the indexes, when you are working with the CPU, when you are working with the memory, when you are working with the weights, when you are working with the SP who is active. Okay, so we kept lot of best scripts where you can run in all the environments. It can be production, development, test, everything. So because we well tested, it won't make any harm whatever the scripts we are providing, because we tested in the all the different platforms. Okay, it won't make any impact. Okay, it won't make any harm for your servers. You can happily run. And this is also we are enhancing a lot. And as of now, this is completely for SQL. We enhance a lot. So we created the repository for the Postgres, and we will create the repository for the Mongo, and we'll create the repository for the Oracle as well. So we will keep this repositories also up to date in case the people who are already working. For example, you went to this blog, okay, and you feel that okay, better than this, I'm having a script. Don't hesitate to ping us, sir. We won't take any negative. Okay, always. This is not, again, this entire Azure SQL Champ is not dedicated for Subbu, not dedicated for Sai. This is ours. Okay, so feel this is ours. Okay, always feel this is ours. So we need to improve this one. If you feel that one, in case you feel that okay, this is better than this, I'm having a script, Subbu. Okay, better than this, I'm having a script. Definitely, we will update your script, sir. We are happy to update your script always. Okay, so please try to do the co-work, sir, so that we will get improved. Always we need to think that we need to stable in the market always. Okay, that is the one thing. That is our GitHub repository, and we are having our own blocker also, but going forward this will be duplicated. Okay, whatever the blocks we posted, this will be completely duplicated and will move into the completely in our block. Okay, in our block there is a separately blocker where we are placing, will come up everything here. So in case if you see this one blocker, no need to worry. Whatever the content we kept here, everything will move into the our own block. So why we are specially going for this one means, okay, to improve our training, okay, to improve the students' knowledge, to improve the gain of from the student knowledge. We came up here so that we can get with the assignments. We will block you until you watch this session. You can't move next session. So that is how we are making some conditions here, so that you can definitely gain all the complete knowledge. Because there are dependency sessions. If you miss one session, if you go for next session, you can't understand the complete technical stuff. So that is a one advantage, and where we can have the blockers, webinars, everything. Okay.
One thing, Subbu, my audio is clear.
Sorry.
Am I audible?
Oh yeah. Yes.
Yeah, in terms of the restriction, no need to worry. That depends on the people and how you are experiencing, what exactly you need. Based on that, I will categorize. Okay. And with the discussion of you with me, so based on that, I will categorize, and no need to worry about the restrictions. Okay.
No, because see, there are a lot of dependencies. See, don't think that many restrictions we are going to place, that is helping you only. Okay. So keep on assignments. Okay. Whenever, for example, we are discussing a backups. Okay. So you went to the session, you learned something, but you forgetting the syntax. Nowadays, when you are attending interviews, they're asking, can you write the syntax? So that kind of assignments means what sort of questions you will get when you are attending interviews, that will keep in the form of assignments. Okay, that is what we are restricting. Okay, don't think we are not restricting anything. So we will keep whatever the concept we delivered. In that concept, what sort of questions you can expect while you are attending over the interviews, that will keep in terms of assignments. Okay, that you need to complete it. Before I move into Priyanka, fabric. Okay, yeah, definitely I will bring the fabric. Not in this year, next year I will bring the fabric. Okay, we'll spend more time on the once I hand over a couple of things to the Sai. Definitely we'll come up with the ADF stuff, ADF, Databricks, Fabric, Synapses. So this is the concept we'll deliver in the year 2026. I'm promising you. Okay, definitely will deliver. So as a promise, we delivered 3 technologies in this year. 2025 is one of the fine year for us. We deliver Postgres, we deliver MongoDB. So from Monday onwards, Sai is delivering the MongoDB, and we started the journey with the Oracle. Okay, that's a one good thing in the year 2025. In the 2026, definitely we'll come up with the Power BI, Fabric, ADF. Okay, so this technologies also will come in the year 2026. So you no need to go here and there. Everything you will find from Azure SQL Champ. Okay, I wanted to enhance my skills, Subbu, in terms of DBA, dual technologies. Then definitely Postgres, Oracle, MongoDB. No, I wants to enhance in the analytics. So we are trying to bring the Power BI. I wanted to enhance in terms of engineering stuff. Okay, we are trying to bring the ADF. We are trying to bring the Fabric as well. Okay, so your support is very important for us. So if you are supporting, definitely we'll try to bring up lot of content. Okay, that's it. I don't want to spend more time today. Okay, over to you, sir. Any questions, anything? We are having 20 minutes of time. Over to you. You can clarify all your doubts. Okay, this is what we are delivering, what we are planning in the future in the year 2026 as well. See, one thing we wanted to say: every batch is a never-ending batch. Officially, we are telling that 60 to 70 days or 70 to 75 days your batch will get complete, but in entire Azure SQL Champ, none of the batch is going to complete, sir, because whatever we are learning, we will involve your batch also. For example, 45th batch is completed. Now, in the 46th batch, we are delivering a new concept. Okay. For example, I haven't get a chance to deliver about the thread mechanism in AG. Okay. Now I will deliver in your batch. That time I will call everyone. Whoever interested, you can join. Okay. We are not forcing. Like same when your batch get completed, when we are going for next batch also, if you are learning something new, that time I will involve 46th batch also. If you wanted to, if you are having some free time and you want to learn something, then definitely you can attend that one as well. Okay, so that is a promise we are making. So it's keep on learning process, not only simply, oh, batch got completed, we will leave you. No, we will call you intermediately, definitely. Okay, to spend some time, to provide some more knowledge what we learn in span of last 2 months or last 3 months. That is what our training will be specially. Yeah, that's it, sir. Over to you, everyone. You have any questions, anything you can clarify? I think I passed most of the stuff today. See, content I will walk through on Monday. Okay, so what we are delivering. Okay, so anything, any questions? Everyone is okay. Is there anything I need to do? You can happily provide us the feedback. Okay, always we'll take the feedbacks. That is also very important. Now definitely we'll collect the feedbacks, because feedback is also very important, because we are having our own portal. Definitely feedback will also boost up our next training program. No questions? Okay, if not, then I can yes, yeah. Okay, then I can spend some time with the course content, sir. Okay, see, as a laterals, as experienced people, everyone will expect what we are delivering. Okay, when you are searching in the YouTube or somewhere, what the training program they're delivering to us. Okay, so for that we came up with the concept called, see, curriculum is very important. What we are delivering in span of 2.5 months to 3 months. Okay, everyone must and should know. As a core database administrator, SQL Server especially, okay, we will start with the L1. First 10 days we'll spend with the L1 only. L1 related task means what is the SQL Server, means what is the database, what is the DBMS, what is RDBMS, what is the difference between DBMS and RDBMS, and we'll talk about the database management systems. We'll talk about what is SQL Server and what architecture is very important. Means as a DBA, you must and should know about the architecture, how internally SQL Server is working. So we'll spend more time on the architectures, and we will spend more time on the installation, because as a DBA, you must and should know how to install the SQL Server, and you must and should know how to troubleshoot in case your installation is getting failed. That is also very important. So architecture will discuss, installation will discuss, and we'll walk through about the configuration manager. And security is very important. We'll talk more about the security. Almost 10 plus sessions we'll spend on the security itself. Now you can think how strong security is placing in entire database management system. Okay, so we'll start with the basic security and we'll go to the advanced level security. We'll start with the basic security and we'll go to the advanced level security. Not only on-prem, we'll talk on the cloud also. You slowly will understand this terminology, that the people who are starting the journey, what is on-prem, what is cloud, will you can understand slowly. Okay, and we'll walk through about installing the SQL Server, installing SSMS, and how you can access, how to create a database, how to create a table, how to perform such sample DML operations. We'll talk. Once we are good at basic part, then definitely we must and should know about the architect. See, when you especially go for architecture, okay, there are two types of architecture in SQL Server. One is engine, one is storage. So SQL engine, how SQL engine is working, how my storage is working. Because finally you are going to store your data in the storage only. Somewhere your desk, somewhere in the desk you are going to store. So especially we'll focus on the storage engine architecture, DB engine architecture. Okay, when we are going to discuss storage engine architecture, especially we'll focus on pages, extents, different types of pages, and we'll discuss about the check pointers, lazy writer, wall writer, dirty pages. All these are theoretical part more, but you must and should understand the concept to become stronger, how SQL Server engine is processing our data, how our SQL engine is storing our data, when I'm calling, how SQL Server is providing the data, when I'm loading, how SQL Server is loading the data. Means when you are reading, when you are writing, both are very important, sir. Reading in the sense like take your bank statement, credit card statement, water bill, electricity bill. You are reading some data. How, when I'm reading the data, how my engine is working. When I'm writing the data, how my engine is working. Means who is moving the data, from where to where the data is moving, how the data is moving. So these are all concepts are very important. So first, next whole week, we will spend this concept only. Okay. Now, once we complete that one, as a DBA, the most very important is backups, restores, and security. Means, see, as a DBA, you just install SQL Server. Okay, our job is done. Means no, sir. You need to protect in terms of disasters. You know about human-made mistakes. You know about natural disaster. No one can stop the natural disasters, sir, like earthquakes or network issues or massive downtime. So especially you need to understand all these terminologies. You notice the outages. Okay, there may be network is went down or storage went down or your voice got crashed or by mistakenly you deleted something. You wanted to delete something, you deleted something. In case of that natural or human made mistake, how you can recover the data is very, very important. So backups is very important, recovery is very important. Okay, so we'll spend this concepts are very important, along with the security is also very important. See, you need to protect, otherwise everyone can access, right? Nowadays the hackers are very smarter. Okay, now how you can protect your connections, how you can protect the data, in terms of what data I need to allow on so user, because multiple users are connecting to our SQL Server. You need to restrict. See, developers will connect, testers will connect, apps team will connect, vendors will connect, third party people will connect to our SQL servers, and they can processing the data, they are reading the data. To whom, what sort of permission they are expecting, how you need to grant the permission so that they can connect to the SQL Server, they can connect to the database, they can read the data. So that security part is very important. Backups are very important. Resources are very important. So these are very, very important as part of DBA. And one is maintenance, jobs, monitoring. This is also very important, means how to create the jobs. See, even though you are working for 24/7, for 365 days, you are working 24/7 support. See, every time will you go and monitor all the servers? For example, you are having one server, okay, two servers, okay, 10 servers, okay, sir. I can directly go to the server by server, I can monitor. But you are maintaining 1,000 servers. You are maintaining 1,500 servers. Okay, you are maintaining 2,000 servers. It's very difficult to connect to the server by server to monitor whether SQL is running fine, jobs are running fine, so on so activities running fine. It's very tough. So definitely you will do the automation. That is nothing but automation. So these are all automation. See, in a simple layman terms to understand, you will set the alarm on your mobile, right? Whenever you wanted to wake up little early in the morning, or whenever you wanted to set some reminder, you will keep some alarm and you will keep that alarm name also. Okay, like it is a kind of automation kind of stuff. Like same thing here also, you will do some automation by creating the jobs, by setting some monitors, by setting some maintenance plans. Okay, where you need to maintain our SQL Server very smoothly. You will do automation kind of stuff. That is also very, very important, sir. As a DBA, automation is also one of the great activity, one of the very important activity. Once we complete this one, then okay, straight away we are not going for performance tuning. Okay, we'll go for the high availability. Okay, scroll down, sir. Okay, these are all we'll talk. Okay, we'll go for the high availabilities. This is one of the most important concept, high availabilities. Okay, so we are having different types of high availabilities like LS, lock shipping, DB mirroring, okay, and clusters, WFC clusters, and AAG, always on availability group, DAG, distributed always on availability group. So these all concepts we are going to discuss. Okay, these are all concepts we are going to discuss as part of L2. As a L2 DBS, you may get a chance to configure lock shipping, mirroring, Windows failure clusters, always on availability groups, distributed always on availability groups, in terms of on-prem, in terms of cloud. So these two we'll discuss in on-prem. These are all we'll discuss in the cloud. Okay. Of course, we'll also discuss in the on-prem also, but majority of the time we'll spend more on the cloud. Okay, more on the cloud. So this we'll discuss in the cloud. So half of the concept we'll discuss in on-prem, half of the concept we'll spend on the cloud also, because nowadays cloud is playing a major role in entire IT industry. Okay, in terms of Azure, in terms of AWS, in terms of GCP, different Alibaba cloud. Okay, cloud is playing a major role. So we'll spend more time on cloud as well. Not only this high availability, we will also discuss about the failover groups. Okay, failure groups, and we'll discuss of the geo replication. This too will falls under PaaS platform. When you especially go to the cloud, there are two things. One is IaaS, one is PaaS. Okay, in the PaaS, we will discuss about the failure groups. We'll discuss about the geo replication. Almost these two are nothing, sir. These two are easy only. Don't get confused. These are all very lightweight. Okay, but our main constraint will be the always on availability group. So database mirroring is almost duplicating, sir. Okay, because DB mirroring is nothing but AG only. Okay, advanced level of, for DB mirroring, advanced concept is AG, always on availability group. And when you especially go to the cloud, that too when you go for Azure, I'm not talking about AWS, sir. When you especially go for Azure, that too when you go to the PaaS, there are two more high availabilities. One is failure groups, one is geo replication. These two also falls under always on also, nearby, always on only. Okay, so these are all high availabilities we are going to discuss. Along with, we are going to discuss about the replication. One of the trickiest feature in entire SQL Server. I mean to say, a little tricky, little complicated feature, but will make you so clear. We'll spend more time on the replication, which is one of the most important concept. It's not a high availability, it's not a DR, but it is a future in entire SQL Server. So replication we are going to spend. Okay, so every concept, each and every concept, like lock shipping we'll discuss, and we'll discuss troubleshooting. Mirroring we'll discuss, mirroring troubleshooting. Cluster troubleshooting, AZ troubleshooting, DAG troubleshooting, replication troubleshooting. Means we will discuss how replication is working, how to configure replication, what are the components are there. Okay, and we'll discuss about the troubleshooting in case if something happened to replication. So when you go to the high availability, you will get additional how to fail over, how to fail back. Means some high availability supports the automatic failover. Means if something happened to this server, automatically this server will come online. If something happened to this server will come automatically. So we'll talk more on the failover, switchovers, how you'll fail back, how you'll fail over, how you'll switch over, all the stuff we'll talk. Along with, we'll spend more time on the RTO, RPO. These are the SLA agreements. Okay. Before you understand about the any high availability, before you understand about the backups, okay, you should know about these two terminologies. What is RTO? What is RPO? RTO for high availability, RPO for backups. Okay, based on our SLAs, based on our agreements, we will design the backups, we will design the high availabilities to fulfill this agreements. What is RTO? What is RPO? What is SLA? And how we are going to configure the backups, which high availability will configure in the real world based on our requirement. We'll talk all the stuff in our day-to-day sessions. Okay, this is once we complete all this concept, then finally we'll move into the performance tuning, sir. Okay, no, we'll move into the Azure SQL. Okay, we'll move into the cloud. Okay, cloud specially we'll discuss the PaaS. Okay, PaaS platform. Azure SQL database, elastic pool, okay, serverless. We'll discuss these three along with the MI. Okay, we'll discuss MI. These are all the cloud services. Okay, PaaS, especially when you go to the PaaS, these are all the PaaS services we need to spend on this one as well. So whatever we discuss in first 1 month, okay, almost similar in the PaaS also. Okay, in the PaaS also. The concept, whatever we discussing this month, we are not discussing again in the PaaS. Whatever is something different, okay, something different along with additional, those concepts only we will spend in the PaaS platform to save over time. So again, I'm not discussing architectures, storage, everything. So whatever we are spending in 1 month, same thing we won't go and discuss in the PaaS. Whatever something new, something enhanced, something you don't know, that concept will send in the PaaS platforms. Okay, and majority of them here and there, the swapping is very important, sir. Okay, and finally, once we complete this one, we'll go for the migrations. Okay, so we'll try to migrate on-prem to on-prem. Okay, on-prem to on-prem, then on-prem to cloud. So what are the different techniques? What are the different methods are available to drive the migration from on-prem to on-prem, on-prem to cloud? So we'll talk in depth, in details, and we'll show everything in terms of practical, not a theoretical. So complete migration will drive in terms of practical session, not a theoretical. Everything will drive in it in terms of practical only. Everything, entire migration will drive in the practical, like Azure Data Studio. You will get Azure Data Studio, DMF, okay, DMA, so Database Migration Assistant tool, which now Microsoft introduced the new tool. Mostly you will get the new tool DMA. Okay, we'll drive the migration with the new tool, and we will use the DMS, Database Migration Service. Will perform offline migration, will perform online migration, and how to reduce the downtime when I'm driving the migration. That is also we are going to discuss. The experienced people, I'm saying, we'll discuss a lot on the migration, because whenever nowadays we are getting a chance majority of the time in the migrations. Okay, so we'll spend more time on the migrations. So 1 week we'll spend on the migrations. Whole 1 week we'll spend on the migrations. Once we complete a cloud, 1 week we'll spend on the PaaS platform, 1 week we'll spend on the migrations. Okay, then 2 weeks we'll spend on the performance tuning. Performance tuning. Here we will discuss everything in terms of query, in terms of indexes, in terms of statistics, in terms of CPU, memory, IO. Okay, 18456 error, corruptions, okay, and I think. See, this log shipping, mirroring, everything is separate, sir. So each and every concept we'll discuss as separately troubleshooting. Apart from that, we are spending on this stuff like log file. Sorry, log file, data file, tempdb. Okay, very important. Majority of the time you will get alerts here only. Log file, data file, tempdb contention, tempdb enhancement. Also, we'll discuss a lot about the tempdb, and we'll discuss about the deadlocks, blockings. Anything is missing, we'll discuss, sir. Okay, so majority of the stuff I mentioned. So performance tuning, we are going to spend 2 weeks, complete 2 weeks. So we are going to spend 2 weeks on performance tuning, 1 week on Azure SQL database, 1 week on migration. Means whole 1 month we are going to spend a time on the advanced level concept only. So first 2 weeks only we are sitting on L1, sir. From third week onwards, we are moving to the L2. Again on L2, 2.5 weeks we'll spend on the L2. Then we'll go to the L3 level. So we'll completely sit on the L3 level. So I will, you will get this document. Okay, what we are delivering. See, completely we won't mention everything here, but how much stuff you need, that much stuff we mentioned. So like login failure troubleshooting, like tempdb contention level troubleshooting. Okay, then we'll discuss about slow running queries. We'll discuss about CPU, memory, IO, much more stuff I mentioned. Okay, we'll discuss lot blocking, deadlocks, much stuff we are going to discuss. So this is about complete span of 72 to 75 days. We'll talk like almost 10 weeks or 11 weeks. It's 11 weeks program. 11 weeks program we are going to spend. Not only this one, again I told you that you will get the webinars. Apart from this, you will get the webinars. What then I learn in the webinars, Subbu? Okay, futures. Okay, see, like CDC, okay, column store index, intelligent query processing, adaptive query joining, instance file installation, partitions, query stores, extended events, job creations. Okay, see, these are all the fixed features. More majority of the time this will be fixed. Okay, majority of the time. This what I'm going to do is this we will conduct in the form of webinars. Okay, so this I'm not able to cover in the live sessions. So these concepts, okay, these concepts also you may get a chance to work. So that's the reason what we are doing. These concepts will keep in the webinars. Of course, majority, see, query store will discuss again in the live. The extended events also will discuss in the live. But okay, not, see, there we will discuss in terms of what we are troubleshooting. But you should know about what is query store, how to configure query store. That concept we are discussing in the webinars. I hope you are understanding. Again, this concept will come in the live sessions also, but based on what you are getting, only up to that point you will learn. But here you will learn little more. Okay, here you will learn little more, and this will be majority of the webinars will be public only. So in case you miss, you can go and watch again this sessions, and you can clarify the doubts in the our regular live sessions. So this is the feedback I got from our old students. Okay, mostly I'm going to implement this one after December. From December, I will try to implement this one because it's very tough to complete in 3 months. Also, see, it's almost 127 sessions, 140 sessions. Okay, it's very tough to see. Don't think that 140 sessions. No, sir. As I told you, right? Every batch is never-ending batch. If next batch, if you are learning something, that video is also uploaded here. Okay, don't think that Subbu, why you deliver 143 sessions there. Okay, then why you are delivering 120 sessions. Okay. Now for us, you are saying only 72, 75. See, whatever we are promising here, you will get everything. Where is this? Yeah, here you will get everything. But what you are learning, what I'm learning, so myself, see, one of the student having one issue, and he reached out to me. Okay, that is something new. Okay, which I not delivered. Then I will definitely deliver in the current batch. When I'm delivering, I will involve you as well, and we will upload in the playlist also. Now the problem here it is started is granting the permission in the YouTube. So that's the reason we are not able to grant from 44th batch onwards. The less videos means we are not able to grant, sir. We are having some restrictions in the YouTube. That's the reason we are going for the webinars. So here there is no restriction, right? This is our blog. There is no restrictions. Okay. Got it. So what you are going to learn in next span of 2.5 months? Yeah, that's it, sir. From my side, anything from your end? We are good. We are not discuss anything technical. Okay. Now the people who are learning first time. Okay. Slowly you can start digesting the content, sir. Okay. Don't think hurry. We need to learn something, but learn from the scratch. I am promising you, learn from the scratch. See, I know job is very important for everyone, but before job, I am telling that technical stuff is very important. So run on the subjects are definitely at one day you can crack by yourself. That day you can stable. You don't want to depend on anyone. So whenever you got placement, you don't want to get afraid, or whenever you are picking the ticket, you don't want get that much panic, all the stuff. Okay. So you need to confidently pick the ticket. You need to confidently work on the ticket. So gain the knowledge first. Okay. That could be very helpful for everyone. So mostly our training will go for Monday to Saturday. Okay. Rare case I may take in the Sunday also, because for the week I planned something that is not happened, because see, in one day is very complicated concept we are discussing. That day you ask too many questions. Okay. That need to expend one more day. Only that day only I will take in Sunday. So majority of the time I won't take Sunday. Majority of the time I won't take Sunday, because I know we are having the families. We need to spend some time with the families. Otherwise, definitely our family member will tell that, okay, you can go and marry SQL. Okay. That too, I'm having small kids. Okay. I need to take care of them also. So mostly we won't take any Sunday session. Monday to Saturday. Okay. First 2 weeks we'll spend a little less time only. Okay. 1 hour, 45 minutes, 1 hour, 50 minutes, that stuff. After 2 weeks, again, I will completely take the 2 hours, 15 minutes. The time will be increased. Okay. Because the content is lot. Okay. Content is massive, sir. Okay. Especially for SQL Server, content is massive. So we need to deliver a lot of stuff. So that's the reason we'll spend 2 hours, 15 minutes. I won't spend more than 2.5 hours. Okay. Rare case only I will request you to spend more time, sir. Okay. That's it from my end. Any questions before we stop the recording?
Quick question. When it comes to the days, a little confused. So we do not have a class tomorrow because it's Sunday for you.
Yes.
Okay. Awesome. Good to know.
Yeah.
But
No
this
Sunday
was
sessions. Sunday
yes.
for our family purpose. Okay. Let's spend some
Yes.
time, because majority of the people are working, sir. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
I know more majority of the projects will work for Monday to Friday. Weekends they will plan at least outside. I don't want to disturb them over the Sunday. Majority of the time I won't disturb on Sunday.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Awesome. Perfect.
Yeah, Subbu, is there any dedicated session for SSIS package from cross
Oh
versions?
yes. Oh, I forget. You will get in the webinar, sir. Sorry. Thanks for reminding. Okay. So in this webinar, you will get the SSIS, SSRS, Power BI, SSIS. Okay, sorry, I forget. Okay, thanks for reminding. Yeah, you will get in the webinar itself.
Yeah, actually, I am facing that issue from last 1 month.
No,
They
no,
are
no, no.
not.
I missed somehow. Sai also. Sai, we missed this one. Oh, sorry. Yeah.
Yeah, that's a little
Yeah.
because that SSL certificate stuff
Oh,
also
you will
it
get.
will
You will get.
TLS.
Hey, in case of issue, you can reach out. That is no need to be part of our student. Okay, don't think, okay, if we enroll with them, then only they can help something. If we have the time, okay, even if you are part of our batch, our community, or outside, you listen somewhere, okay, these people can help. Definitely, you can reach out because we used to get calls and messages, especially me, from those who are from outside also. Hey, I somehow I got your number. So and so scenario. Could you please help? Okay. At least the resolution is secondary. At least if you are stuck somewhere, don't hesitate to reach out us. Okay.
Yeah.
So you missed that point. You can explain this point. Contacting us, point of contact.
Oh, no worries, no worries. We'll tell. We'll tell. Okay. See. Basically, what we are promising to everyone. Okay. Especially. So the people who are working. Okay. Especially the people who are working. The people who are learning, we are having a lot of time. Okay. But the people who are working, for example, you are working over the night shifts, especially over the night shifts, and you got stuck somewhere, and you're not getting the solution, or you're not getting the idea, and that is leading some escalation on you. Don't hesitate to reach out to Subbu. Don't hesitate to reach out to Sai. You can call anytime, sir. Only in critical scenarios. Okay, please. The people who are doubts everything, we are having morning hours. We are always free. You can bring up. We will respond. But the people who are especially in the critical situation, you are not getting help from our community. Means we are having a separate WhatsApp group chat. We'll get to know, sir. That also. Let me. One second, sir. Let me. Okay. So we are having a dedicated discussion group. Okay. Majority of the time will involve everyone into this group. Okay. In case you are stuck somewhere, first you will go to this group. You will post the ping. Someone who are all are working employees. Okay. Anyone can respond this one. In case if you're still not convinced, or you are not getting the right solution, and that is leading some escalation, don't hesitate to call us. You don't want to get that much time. Even your batch get completes also. Don't think that, okay, within our batch training only Subbu will respond, Sai will respond. No, sir. It's not like that, okay? Anytime, okay? Anytime, in case you literally get stuck, again I'm telling, literally got stuck, and it is not moving forward, and that is leading any escalation, don't hesitate to call us directly. When you are learning, sir, don't hesitate to join the live sessions. See, again, sir, no one can do the spoon feeding. Believe me, no one in the global, even our moms also can't do the spoon feedings. Okay, what you need to do, you got stuck you are in the learning phase. You got stuck somewhere. Every day we are having the live sessions. You missed today. Today somehow you missed it. Okay, you are having a question and you are not getting an answer over discussion group. Now, okay, then next day you can join the live session for 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, hey Subbu, hey Sai, I'm having this question, can you clarify? Okay, done. Again you can go and do your work. We are not stopping. Okay, we are not stopping. When we are telling this, in case literally that is you are been working, and it is one of the production server, it went down, something happened, and are you done something went wrong, and you are getting too much tense, nervous, don't hesitate to call us. Okay, we are here to help you, sir. Even your batch get complete also. Always we are here to help you. So we will that is a one small help we are doing for entire Azure SQL Champ community. Okay, so many people, why they will show more interest on Azure SQL Champ, community means this is a one thing, great thing we are doing from long back. From long back, we are doing this stuff. Okay, so we are always helping you, sir, but you need to understand what we are saying, what we are conveying to you. Only the people who are working and that too you got stuck in the critical issues, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Okay, the people who are not working and you are learning phase, and that is not that much important. Every discussion you can do in the live chat, live sessions. Okay, everyone, see, utilize that WhatsApp group chat, not only just pasting our links or good morning, good evening, good morning, good evening. In case you got stuck somewhere, you can post in the screenshot in our group chat. Definitely someone will respond. See, always response is very important. For example, say you are working, Anil is working in the night shift, okay, and Nick is also working in morning hours, and Anil got some issue. Then definitely Dominic will respond to that ping, and he will help you. Then tomorrow, okay, Dominic is facing the issue. Then Anil will respond. See, always exchanging the knowledge is not at all wrong. Always, I will tell that exchange the knowledge is very, very important, sir. Exchange the knowledge is very, very important. So then only you will confidently get that, okay, whatever I am telling to the Dominic, oh, my answer is right. Okay, means my troubleshooting is right. You need to double check once, sir. But don't see, if someone is telling, you also need to carefully watch that what is recommending, whether I can do it or not. See, you know about your project. No one knows. You know your project. So what either Subbu is saying something, or Sai says something, or Anil is saying something, or Anusha is saying something. First, you should know that what someone suggested, whether I can do in my environment or not. See, these are all learnings, sir, we need to know. Okay. But this is the one support we are providing. Okay. You can reach out anytime into the discussion group chat. After 1 week, we will involve you into the group chat as well. Okay. So you can post in the group chat. No publicities. Okay. Nothing in that discussion group chat, only the technical discussion. Please don't misuse that discussion group chat. If you misuse, we will remove from that discussion group and you never get the support again back. You should not misuse that discussion group. That is a very healthy discussion. Even from us also, even Subbu or Sai also, we never publish anything on the discussion groups. That is only for, okay, technical discussion. Got it, everyone? No? Yes?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, this is the one point you can remember, sir. Always, when you feel anything critical that is leading any escalation, don't forget that, oh, Subbu is back on us. Sai is back on us. Okay? Anytime, sir. Even your batch get complete also. We are helped. That is the one reason many of my old students still following Azure SQL Champ. So one of the example is Priyanka. Priyanka is part of 38th batch. Now we are in 46th batch. Almost 8 batches we got completed. 3 years back. Okay, she's since following us, because we are promising you, we will back on you at any time. We are not freeing up you. Okay, but how you are communicating with us is also very, very important. Yep, that's it, sir. I don't want spend on more. Okay, that's it from us. Okay, thanks everyone. Welcome to once again Azure SQL Champ community. Okay, hope everyone can gain your own knowledge. Everyone can crack your interviews by own. Okay. Yeah, that's it. Welcome once again. Thank you. See you on Monday, sir.
Yeah, thank you, Subbu.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Sai.
Yeah,
Thank
thank you.
you, Subbu. Sai.
Thank you. Yeah.
Thanks, everyone. Thank you.
Thank you, Subbu and Sai.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you so much, Sai.
Yeah, thanks, sir.
Have a nice weekend.
Yeah, sorry to say, yeah, great weekend. Yeah, sorry. Yeah.